Diamonds are forever.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Makeupmoo. And before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And guys, make sure you hit that bell so that you know when I upload. Today, I'm so excited. We're about to have so much fun. I received my very first PR package from Riley Rose. They sent me 2 boxes full of stuff and I couldn't be any more grateful. So I just want to first off say thank you to them. So you guys might not know about Riley Rose, but they're a sister company to Forever 21. And it's really not like your average makeup store. They sell makeup, candy, hair products, hair tools, and a lot of those really cool brands that you see on Instagram. They only have about like 10 stores, so I'm gonna need for them to open up one in DC, okay? Because I've seen pictures of the stores online and it's so cute on the inside. So I would really love to experience the store in person. You guys might want to go ahead and follow them on Instagram at Riley Rose because they have some crazy things planned for this year and you guys want to make sure you stay tuned for that because I know I am. A lot of the things that they sent me, they will be given away. So guys, make sure you go follow them. They sent me, I can't even pick it up, like 2 box loads full of stuff. And I mean, who doesn't like free stuff? I'll also have a link down below for you guys to click so that it'll be easier for you to shop on the site. So I thought it'd be cool to do an unboxing. You know, this is my very first one. Why not? Before we, you know, get into the fun. So, in the first box they sent me a really cute card and it says, Riley Rose is a beauty and lifestyle universe where play, discovery, and self-expression are celebrated. Embracing global trends, innovation, and femininity. Yeah, I know I got an accent, don't come for me. Riley Rose fuses online possibility with real-life community to create an experience where girls are inspired to indulge their fantasies, run wild, and get lost. Yes! At Riley Rose, hashtag Riley Rose, thank you. And then Christina wrote me a really sweet note. She said, Diamond, hope you love all of your new goodies. This box is filled with skin and hair care and the other box is filled with your new favorite makeup. Go wild. And sis, I'm definitely about to go wild with this video. I can't wait for you guys to see my look. So when I opened the first box, I was immediately inspired, okay? If you guys watched my carnival inspired makeup look, you would know that I did the jewels on my forehead individually. But yo, this brand already has it intact, so it would be a lot more easier to get these on and have you festival ready. So I have about 3 of these. This is so cute. I think I'm going to use this one for the video today, but this is so cute. And then I think this one is for your boobs. It's, you know, giving me Rihanna vibes. I think. Is it for your boobs? I think it's for your boobs. Then they gave me the best travel perfume ever. Okay, this is cute. It's actually perfume wipes, so I guess you could just, you know, wipe it on your body so you know when you're in Coachella, you in the desert, you don't want to be stinking girl. Next we have Suva Beauty. Let's see, let's open this. These are liners. So what you would do is spray, wait, what is this? Oh yes, y'all know I love to glow. So this is illuminating drops. And then they sent 3 cake eyeliners. Ooh, these are nice. It has the color of them on the top of the box. So we have Space Panda, Rose Gold, and Scrunchy, which is a pink color. Let me go ahead and swatch the illuminating drops. So this is what the illuminating drop looks like. Yes. And then to get their Hydra liners working, you have to add water. The more water you add, the more sheer the product will be. So I'm just going to add a little bit of my Fix Plus in there so that you guys can see how pretty this color is. And I'm going to take the brush from the Suva Beauty brand. And this is the shade Scrunchy, but I want you guys to see like how bomb that color is. Oh my god, it's like a neon. This is so pretty. Let's see what the other 2 colors look like. So this is Rose Gold. That's pretty. And then this one is Space Panda. Oh, I have a little bit of my other color on the brush, but that's okay. Look at that, a pure white color. It's kind of hard to find a really good white liner that doesn't like crease or crack up. There's some really nice shimmery colors. The two shimmer eyeshadows they sent me, this one is the 6. Bomb! And this one is Empire State. It kind of cracked a little bit, so I'm going to have to be really careful with storing that. But look at how pretty those colors are. And super pigmented. Yes, like that is key, pigmentation. Oh my goodness, they sent me Lemonhead. Guys, these are some amazing chunky glitters. Okay, let me open one for you. This one is called Paradise Beef. It's so pretty. You can actually put these in your hair or on your skin. Look how beautiful that is. Yes. Oh, I just want to use everything. Oh, how adorable is this? They sent me some really cute, really groovy sunglasses. I love these already. Oh yes, these are a vibe. These are cute. They also sent me some shadow shields. I love this, especially when I'm like, especially if I do my makeup first and I decide to do a really dramatic look and I don't want any fallout. Those go perfectly under the eyes. They also sent me the Lime Crime Highlights palette. Let's go ahead and swatch the 3 colors in there. Look how pretty they are. And this packaging is super cute as well. So this is the shade Peach. This is the shade Gold. And this is the shade Pink. Those are some cute highlighters. Hopefully on my face they don't look, you know, dusty and rusty, but these are super cute. Oh, they also sent me more glitters. I love chunky glitters, so look at that. Oh! Shoot, I knew I was gonna do that. Darn it. This is some perfectly good glitter. I'm about to clean this up. Give me 1 second, be right back. So these are bomb. Yes, LA Splash, you did that. They also sent me a bunch of lippies. Also have some iridescent lip toppers from Lime Crime, and these colors are so pretty. The whole purpose of a lip topper is to really add more definition to your lips. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the 3 colors for you guys. So this one here is the shade Pink Pearl. You know, it has that white shade to it, but it has like pinkish purple iridescence to it. That would look so bomb. Next we have the shade Summer. Look at that. And this one has more of that pinkish reddish iridescence to it. You know what? I love that these are called the Diamond Crushers because hello, y'all know that's my real name, so I'll be pressed with anything that says diamond. This is the shade LA. And this one has more of an orangey pinkish iridescence to it. Speaking of diamond, I have the Sinfully Angelic. This is a LA, oh, this is LA Splash. They stepped up. First with the lashes, now with the gloss. So this is called Simply Angelic Diamond Lip Gloss. Let's see what this color looks like. Okay, first off, this is the first thing I see when I open the package. So cute. And it looks like a rose pink, a rose petal color. It goes on real thick. So if you're a thick lip gloss kind of girl, you will love this. Look at that color. Really pretty. A liquid lipstick from LA Splash, and this one is called Queen of Hearts, and look how cute this packaging is. And it goes on really vampy and nice. I really love this color. Look at that. So pretty. And of course it's going to dry down matte. So I want to show you guys this Pinky Rose Elegant Gloss lip gloss because the packaging is similar, but it's so much more cuter because it has the crown on the top. And let me just swatch what that color looks like. Yes, it's more of a dusty pink versus this shade here. And then I also have a glitter wand from Pinky Rose, and this is in the shade Leo. So it's just like a gold color. And this is what it looked like. It has a really strong smell to it, so I don't know how I feel about that. LA Splash is really stepping their game up. I have another liquid lipstick from them. This one is in the finish Velvet Matte, and it has like a frosty packaging with a metallic top, which I think is super cute, but you can't really see the color. So Let's swatch it here. And this is what that shade looks like. Ooh, smudge proof eyeliner. That is a must for partying in the desert, because you don't want to be looking like somebody punched you in your eyes. Okay. And this one is called Wickedly Divine. I thought it was going to be like a black liquid liner, but no. It's like a glitter liner. And we love glitter, so yes. And that's what it looks like. Oh, this is so cute. It looks like, you know, one of those majorette thingies, but it's actually a trio of perfume. Like, look at how cute this is. Like, I cannot. Let's open up the Penrose perfumes and see what they smell like. This one is called Lord Dipper. This one smells really good. It reminds me of something, but I can't think of what it is. But it's almost like a citrusy smell. This one is called Secret Genius. Ooh, this one smells a lot more sweet. I love this. I'm about to put this in my purse now. And the last one is called Wow Child. I feel like this one probably smells like flowers. It smells familiar. Like, it smells really good, but I can't put my finger on what the smell reminds me of. All three of these smell bombs. Last but not least, they sent me, I think this is an eyeshadow palette from Pinky Rose. This is called the Rustic Rose palette. Oh yes, get into this palette. This whole two rows right here, like, drew my attention immediately. Like, yes. And then in the other box that they sent me a bunch of like skincare and hair stuff. You know, if you get a pimple, I have a pimple patch, a hydrating mask. Also, if you're staying up for the whole 3 days, you might want to use some eye patches, okay? They sent me a balm makeup remover. It kind of goes on like a balm, but then it really penetrates and get the makeup all the way off your skin. So this, I would definitely be using this daily. And they sent me a bunch of, look at these colors. Hair chalk. Yes, so if you want to give unicorn vibes, but you don't want to really dye your hair, girl, just spray it on, and then you can wash it out whenever you feel like it. So I have one of my wigs here, and I just want to play and see if the color looks really nice. Oh wait, I thought it was like spray paint. This is, oh, you literally paint the hair. Okay. This color is really pretty. Okay, let's add one more color for fun. I'm gonna use this lavender shade. Then what you can do after you add your chalk is do a cute little braid. Forgive my wig, she needs a little tender love and care. And there you have it. So they also sent me some strawberry jam from Lime Crime. This color is really pretty. It's recommended to use on pre-bleached hair. Wow, look at this. I honestly would not even know what I'm doing with this. Let me read the directions. So this product is already ready to use. You don't have to mix it with any developers, lighteners, or any permanent hair colorant. And the directions are in the box. So it tells you everything to do in this little card here. Then they also sent me this clear conditioning gloss from Bright. And it's like a bright neon blue color. And all you have to do is put this product in your hair and your hair will glow in the dark. But it will only glow under a black light. So they also sent me a pre-shampoo mask to really help penetrate, strengthen, and deep condition your hair, especially if your hair has been worn out from putting so many heat products to it. And then they also sent me some dry shampoo, and this is the coconut scent. And they also sent me some SPF 30, which is important if you're going to be partying in the desert. Even if you're outside in the sun, period, make sure you put your SPF on And they also sent me some more dry shampoo, but this one is like in a powder form. I've never seen anything like this, but it says all you have to do is shake and pump. Shake and pump. And guys, that's everything that I got in my box. Thank you so much for watching, but make sure you stay tuned for part 2 where I actually put these products to the test. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Shabloop.
Shoot, 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 shoot.